And then laugh. Haha, just kidding.
Okay. Do your thing.
Akabooty, akabooty. Hi, I'm Adam. Hi, I'm Paisley. That's a bow on top of my hat.
Are you guys switching? Where's the real Paisley?
Me.
Oh, you are?
Yes. Mom, you put in this purple stuff on me.
Yeah, you're the real Paisley, aren't you?
I'm the real Paisley. And I'm the real Advent. What's rest? Yeah, Advent and I'm Paisley.
Because Adeline loves purple and Paisley loves pink, right? So you guys switched. You're funny. I like your shoes too, guys.
Mommy, Mama go over to Exit Enemies. Daddy's gonna go to Exit Enemies now.
They're probably eating dinner.
I don't think they're home, sweetie.
Yeah. Yes, I see them on his car. And Ben's.
They took Daddy's car, maybe. Their daddy's car.
Woohoo.
Daddy's car just gone away.
I
But maybe
Can you smile?
But maybe Elise is home.